Hello guys, let me reintroduce myself again. Huyu ni Paul. Najua hamjazoea kuniona hivi, but for those who know about Taban know that we also have this one. Na pia hii ni njia nzuri ya kujikumbusha wakati mtu alikuwa mdogo. Najua nyinyi huwa sometimes mna struggle kujikumbusha how life was when you were sweet 16. For ours is very easy. Unatoa hiyo kubwa, unabaki hivi ndivyo tulikuwa when we were small boys. Anyway, I want to really appreciate wenye watu wamejaribu kufikia to know how now we are doing, like whether shule imerudi ama bado. I really appreciate your concern, but we have to accept the reality the way it is. We believe that not all glitters that is gold, sindio? We also believe that no pain no gain. So hakuna vile inge happen ati tumepata all of a sudden help and then tukarudisha shule pap and then we expect to succeed. So we appreciate the help that you guys supported with, but allow us to also continue working even behind the scenes, so that the actual amount that is needed to be met, na ili tukiweza kurudisha shule haitakuwa with a lot of hiccups. I know problems hazikosi, but at least haitakuwa so much challenged. Itakuwa very strong foundation. So we are not forgetting, or rather I'm not forgetting to appreciate everyone who offered his support, his or her support, that is. Thank you so much, na hatuchukui for granted. And I know one thing is that wakati umesaidia mtu and then ameenda akasaidika, I believe, according to me, this is my personal view though, huyo mtu anaweza kukulipa directly wewe ama your children ama those people who you love, kwa sababu hii mambo ya kusema ati sijui tenda wema nenda zako, sometimes mtu atajiuliza, na huo wema mimi utanipata lini? But I want to assure you that whatever we are working on is for a permanent change and a great influence to not just one county or several counties, but nationally, and maybe, and by God's grace, even international. So it's something that we are taking very seriously with those people whom I have been working with. So tukasema tusiharakishe mambo ati tuseme tununue tugita tutatu sasa tuanze kazi tena. No, let's relax, tulete system yote, tulete wanafunzi wote, kusikuwe na mwanafunzi anafungiwa ati kwa sababu hajapata instrument ya kujifunza nayo. So we are still working on that. However, I also would like to note that currently, even today, even right now, I'm still training those people who are interested on a personal level. I'm still training them. Masomo haifai kusimama ati kwa sababu hakuna the physical class, the school. No, kwa sababu skills we have them, we have everything that we need, so we can work on it, and then it happened to be a good thing. So let's be patient. When we wait patiently, we know that tutazaa kitu mzuri, na tukizaa kitu mzuri kitatufurahisha even in years to come.